Alright, let's jump right into it. Today we're going to do a quick tour of this 2023 Forest River Vibe 26RK. This is a Camp Anywhere package. If you have solar panels, if you want to go off grid. It does have a battery cutoff switch, which is nice. Power tongue jack. Nice large windows. You do have pass-through storage, which is nice. Very large, fit a lot of things in there. Solid step stairs, nice and sturdy. Does have outside speakers. Pretty large awning. Towards the rear, we have a nice fridge, a little storage, a burner. This is prepped for a backup camera. Easy to install. Slide has nice large windows. Spare tire. Now we'll go inside. See what they've done for 2023. Very spacious living area. 2 recliners. And the sofa does pull out to a bed for additional seating. Booth dinette with storage underneath. Storage bins as well. 12-volt refrigerator with storage to the right of it. You have an oven with storage beneath. 3-burner top. This does come with a Furrion microwave and vent. Got all the storage you need above the kitchen here. A lot of counter space here for meal prepping. Good size stainless steel sink. Fireplace, large TV. Storage above the fireplace for movies, games. Again, these 2 nice recliners here. I like the white stitching. The bathroom towards the front. Again, you got storage underneath the sink. More storage. Really spacious shower. Look at the bedroom here. Got storage underneath the bed. Storage above the bed. Nice lighting, got a wardrobe. Got additional storage in here. Cable hookup. If you want to mount a TV in here, pretty easy to set up. Control panel, very easy to use. 1 slide, 1 awning. Tank heaters, water heater, water pump, interior lights. This is the 2023 Forest River Vibe 26RK.